Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at how to use ChatGPT to write statements of purpose. Firstly, there are basically 5 information needed in writing a study plan or statement of purpose, which are 1. Your previous research experience. 2. Your proposed research area. 3. How does your proposed research area align with your previous experience? 4. Why have you chosen the university? And 5. After graduation, what do you plan to do? Alright, let's dive in. So let's provide ChatGPT with some details. Remember, these details will differ for everyone, so put in what suits you best. For example, I'll be using the 5 basic information mentioned to ChatGPT. So I will type write or statement of purpose in 1000 words for me using these details. I have a sound theoretical and practical knowledge in Python programming, machine learning, and signal processing. Okay, so from the first information, which is your previous research experience, I've given an example here, so you're going to write yours. So let's go to the second information needed, which is your proposed research area. So let's say my proposed research area is medical image analysis. I can go ahead to write, I have published 5 articles which indicate my research abilities. For the third basic information, which is how does your proposed research area align with your previous experience, I'll just tell ChatGPT to kindly align my previous experience or experiences, depending on how much experiences you have, with my proposed research area. And for the fourth information mentioned, which is why have you chosen the university? So I'll just come here to give an example of the reason by saying the reason why I have chosen XYZ university is because of the ranking and standard facilities. For the fifth basic information, I told you after graduation, what do you plan to do? So let's say after graduation, so you can give your own example. I plan to further for my PhD program because I want to become a renowned university professor. Okay, so at this point, you give your reason after graduation. What do you plan to do? So like I said, just put in what suits you best, okay? Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT will write for us. Wow. Now take a look at this statement of purpose with 6 paragraphs. This is really convincing. Like giving the introduction, who you are based on your academic background. The second one, your research, your technical skills. The third one, it talks about your publication and your research capabilities. The fourth one, the reason why you have chosen XYZ university. The fifth, it says after completing my master's degree, this talks about what to do after graduation. And lastly, it even gave a conclusion of everything written above. So this is very, very convincing and informative about you. So you can see that the more information you provide for ChatGPT, the better the outcome of the result. So you can just sit back and try this and let me know your take in the comment section. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because I'll be providing you with more lessons using ChatGPT. So have a nice time. Bye.